Hey guys, so today I wanted to make a video to show you how to change the vibrator in the LG G4. So to remove the back cover, what you will want to do is just grab the phone. There's a notch right down here in this bottom corner. You can stick your thumbnail in there and you can just carefully pry up and the back cover comes off just like that. So these are some of the tools that I'm going to be using today during this procedure. I'll include links in the video description of any tools that I'm going to be using or any parts that I'm going to be using in this repair today. So anything that I think might be helpful to you, I'll include links in the description below this video, so check them out there. So first of all, if you have any SIM cards or memory cards, you want to make sure to remove them out of here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver size 000. And so if you get a tool set that has a Phillips screwdriver, make sure that size 000 is in there. So we're going to go ahead and remove all these 10 screws all the way around the perimeter here. So once we have all these screws around all the way around, and don't worry, they're all the same size, so you won't have to worry about getting them mixed up. Then what I found, if I turn the phone this way, and right in here is a good place to get started to remove this back part. And what you can do is just lift up carefully there with your thumbnail or something. And then you can just carefully pry up and then just work your way around. And as you're coming up through here, this whole back part lifts off. So next what you'll want to do is use a plastic pry tool or something like that and just pry up carefully on this connector right here. And then we're going to want to pry up on this connector for the rear camera right here. Then we're going to want to pry up for this connector for the front camera right here. And then what we can do is I would recommend starting right here in this corner right here. And this, it has adhesive under it, this logic board does, so what you want to do is pry up carefully right in here, and you want to watch this connector right here as it comes loose for the rear camera, so it misses that. And it comes up kind of hard. You want to watch this connector here and also this part right here. And then down here, it works good, it just kind of pops loose. Then the whole board comes out just like that. To change the vibrator, which is located right here, what we're going to do is I'm going to turn it like this, and we're going to slide under this notch right here on this side with something sharp. I'm going to use my tweezers. It's kind of sharp, and we can just grab it and kind of keep working it, and the whole vibrator pops out just like that. So you want to make sure your adhesive is set down in there good. So grab your new vibrator, peel off the adhesive film on it if it has any, and then just set it right back down in there, press down, and you're all set. Now to reinstall the logic board, there's a couple tricky spots to watch, and I'll kind of show you as we go here. This spot right here where it hits up here, you have to get that underneath there, and then in this corner right here where it slides under here, we have to get that too. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to just watch this front camera here. We're going to slide it in like this. Watch the connector for the rear camera here. We need to tip it forward, get it to get past there, and then we need to get this little part right here underneath where it tucks under there. Then we can watch this corner right here and tuck that under there too. This one right in here. And then we should be able to set everything right down. I'll just double check this one here because sometimes it likes to pop up till you're all the way done, and make sure everything's pressed down. Then we can go ahead and reconnect this connector right here, and reconnect the front camera connector right here, then reconnect the rear camera connector right here as well. Next, just grab your back cover, set it down on here, make sure that it's pressed down all the way around and snapped in. Then go ahead and put all your screws all the way around back in. Next, grab your battery, line up these connectors with these connectors right here, set it right down in there, push down. To reinstall the back cover, just grab your back cover, set it down on here, start at the top and work your way down around. Make sure it snaps in all the way around, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.